multiplying rational numbers on a number line. Okay, so now we have this problem, 2 times negative 7 halves. So in order to show the operation on the number line, we need to find where 7 halves is. So if you look at this number line here, from 0 to negative 1 is actually divided into two sections. So basically, each one little tick here is showing you 1 half. Okay, so if each little tick is 1 half, so on this side of the number line, this is showing negative 1 half. So in order to find negative 7 halves, so we need to count 7 sections on this number line. Okay, so starting from 0, you have 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right in between negative 3 and negative 4 is negative 7 halves. Okay, so you start from 0 and then you find negative 7 halves right in between negative 3 and negative 4. Okay, so this is negative 7 halves. Now, when you say 2 times negative 7 halves, that means you travel negative 7 halves units 2 times from 0. Okay, so this is just one time, and we have to travel the same distance one more time to make it 2. Okay, so that means we're going to just count out 7 little ticks in order to get a second 7 halves. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we will end up at negative 7. Okay, so let me just mark it down. So now from this number line, you can see that 2 times negative 7 halves is you go negative 7 halves units 2 times, and your answer is right here, negative 7. Okay, and then let's move on and do a second problem, which looks a little bit different than this one. Okay, so this is the second problem. Negative 3 times negative 5/4. You notice that unlike the previous one, which is a positive times a negative, this time you have a negative times another negative. Okay, so this works a little differently, but the first thing I want you to do is to ignore the negative sign of negative 3 first. Just treat it like 3 times negative 5/4, and then we'll work the negative part out. Okay, so now for negative 5/4, we need to find that on the number line. So 4 is the denominator, and then if you look at the number line, between 0 and negative 1 is already divided into 4 parts. So we just need to count 5 ticks in order to find negative 5/4. Okay, so from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part here is negative 5/4. And earlier I said to ignore this negative sign for a little bit. Okay, so let's just do negative 5/4 times 3 for now. So we travel negative 5/4 units to the left 3 times. So this is just one time, and we have to do 2 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right here is your second negative 5/4. And then let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now you have negative 5/4 going to the left 3 times. And this is negative 3 and 3/4. Now, if we were just multiplying 3 times negative 5/4, this would have been our answer. But no, this is a negative. That means we have to find the opposite of this answer here. So find the opposite. Okay, so if negative 3 3/4, and then the opposite of it will be all the way over here at positive 3 3/4. So your correct answer of negative 3 times negative 5/4 is positive 3 3/4.